How to fix ESC key not working in Windows. To fix ESC key not working in Windows, try 1. Remap ESC key via PowerToys. 2. Run keyboard troubleshooter. 3. Update keyboard drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Remove recently installed software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Turn off filter keys. 6. Reset keyboard settings by removing up your preferred language. 7. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe id device diagnostic, admin mode. 8. Replace keyboard.